Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy your first cryptocurrency on cex.io. Buying your first cryptocurrency might feel confusing, but with cex.io the process is actually very simple and beginner friendly. In just a few steps you can go from having no crypto to owning assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar. What you can do is simply type down cex.io and enter it, and make sure to log into your account if you already have one. And after that, make sure your account is verified or you won't be able to buy it. And what you can do is you can simply click onto this and make sure you already have funds into your wallet as well. And after that, what you can do is you can simply select to this buy now in the bottom. Over here, you can select the payment method as well. And after that, you can proceed to it and make sure your account is verified to use the services of cex.io, including buying, selling, or storing. You need to verify your identity. And after that, you can enter how much you want to spend, example $10 or $50, and you can select the payment method and review and confirm it, and that is it. And after that, you'll see your purchase crypto balance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.